Welcome back to the channel, friends. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the matrices and determinants. In that we are going to discuss the definition and types of matrices. Okay, let us start the class. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the definition of matrix. Okay, what is the definition of matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers which acts as an information store. Okay, matrix is a rectangular array. What is rectangle? Rectangles means it should have both length and breadth, right? It is a rectangular array. It is a rectangular array, that is rows and columns it should have. And array means group, okay, of numbers. Here it is numbers they are given. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers which acts as an information store. It is an information store. It stores some information. Okay. For better understanding, we have another definition, that is a matrix is an arrangement of number. Here we can see in this example arrangement of numbers. These are the numbers. These are arranged in rows and columns. Rows means horizontal lines. This is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. Horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. Okay, the matrix, a matrix is an arrangement of numbers. The numbers may be real or complex in rows and columns. Rows means horizontal lines, column means vertical lines, and enclosed by the brackets. These are the two brackets enclosed. They are enclosed. Okay, this is called matrix. So the next we will discuss about the types of matrices. There are so many types of matrices are there. Row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar, unit, rectangular, equal, lower triangular, upper triangular matrix. Let us discuss one by one now. First, row matrix or row vector. Row matrix or row vector. Okay, let us see the definition. A matrix having only one row, only one row. A matrix having only one row is called row matrix or row vector. Here how many rows we have? Only one row, right? And how many columns we have? Three columns we have. That means one row and three columns. So we have to write like this: 1 cross 3. That is the order of the matrix. The order of matrix. Okay, order of matrix. First we have to write the First we have to write the rows, then we have to write the column. Okay, this is the order of the matrix A, that is 3 cross 1. Here we can see there is only one row and there are three columns. So whenever we have only one row, it is called row matrix. For example, 1 comma 4, then not 1 comma 4, that is 1 cross 4 and 1 cross 5, 1 cross 7. These are all the examples for row matrix. Okay. Next, column matrix. Same as row matrix. The slight change is it should have only one column. As the name it suggests, that the column matrix means a matrix having only one column. Only one column is called a column matrix or a column vector. Okay. Here how many rows we have? Three rows we have, and we have only one column. That means what is the order of this matrix? 3 cross 1. This is the order of the matrix A. So we have here only one column, that is called column matrix. For example, we can write 4 cross 1 and also 7 cross 1. These are all the some of the example for column matrix. Okay. Okay, then column matrix we have already discussed. Next, null matrix. Null matrix means or zero matrix. Null means empty. Nothing is there. Okay. Null means nothing, zero. That means the matrix in which all the entries are zero is called null matrix or zero matrix or void. Void means nothing, empty, empty. Void means empty, empty matrix. Okay, empty means we have to write zero there. Okay, the all the entries in this matrix are 0 0 0 0. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. We can also write a null matrix with 2 cross 2 as 0 0 0 0. This is also a null matrix with 2 cross 2 order. Okay, next, square matrix. Square matrix means a matrix in which a number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Okay, number of rows which should be equal to number of columns. It is called square matrix or rectangular matrix. Okay, how many rows are number of rows are there here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows are there. Here 3 columns are there, right? So this is called rectangle or square matrix, rectangular or square matrix. That is 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5. These are all the example for square matrix. Have you got it? Okay, next, diagonal matrix. So in the square matrix only we will get the diagonal matrix. That means here we can see that this is a square matrix, right? So the diagonal elements, these are the diagonal elements, and this is called principal diagonal. This is also diagonal, okay? But this is called principal diagonal. So in square matrix only we will get to see the principal diagonal. Okay, so what is diagonal matrix means? A diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all elements except the elements in the principal diagonal are zero. Here we can see that in this example this is a principal diagonal, right? Except this, except these, all the elements should be zero. Okay, except these principal diagonal elements, all the elements which are there, no, that should be zero. That is called diagonal matrix. Okay, this is the example for diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. That means it is having 3 cross 3 order. It is a square matrix in which all the elements except the elements in the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal elements are 1, 5 and 7. These are the principal diagonal elements. Except these, all the elements are equal to 0. This is called diagonal matrix. Okay. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. We know that, right? Diagonal matrix means in the diagonal, principal diagonal elements except this, all the entries should be 0. In this, in which all the elements in the diagonal are same, it should be the diagonal element should be same always in scalar matrix. Okay, in scalar matrix it should be always a diagonal matrix. Okay, it is always diagonal matrix, and the principal diagonal element should be equal to same. Should be equal to same means same number it should be equal to. It may be 2 2 2 2 we have to be, or it will be 3 3 3, or it will be 4 4 4. Then all the entries are 0. That is called scalar matrix. Okay, have you all got it? Okay, next, unit matrix or identity matrix. This is very important. Unit matrix or identity. Unit means what? One, right? This is unit matrix. Let us discuss about the definition. A unit matrix is a square matrix. It should be, first of all, it is a square matrix. Square matrix, is it square matrix? The number of rows are equal to number of columns. That is 3 cross 3 matrix. This is, so it is a square matrix in which every element in the principal diagonal is 1. What is the principal diagonal here? This is the principal diagonal. Every element, all the elements are equal to 1. So it is called the unit matrix. Okay, have you all got it? It is, first of all, it should be a square matrix in which principal diagonal element should be equal to 1 only. It should not equal to 2 or 3 or 4 like that. It is always equal to 1 and all the other elements should be equal to 0. Okay, this is called unit matrix or identity matrix, and this is very very important. Okay, next, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix is very very easy. That is a matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns is called as a rectangular matrix. What is the number of rows here? 1 and 2. Two number of rows are there and 3 number of columns are there. And then what is the order of this matrix? That is 2 cross 3. That means 2 is not equal to 3. That means rows are not equal to columns. This is called rectangular matrix. Okay. Next, equal matrices. Here we have matrices. Matrices means matrix is a singular form. Matrices is a plural form. Okay, this is a plural form of matrix. So to compare two matrix, we need two matrices. Okay, two matrices are equal if and only if their orders are same. First of all, their order should be same, and their corresponding elements are also should be equal. Okay, for example, here we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. So here we have, what is the order of this matrix? That is 2 cross 3, right? Here we have 2 cross 3 order, right? The first of all, it is matching with orders. Then what we have to see? Corresponding elements we have to see. That is, here we have 1, here also we have 1, here 5, here also it is 5, it is 7, 7, 3, it is also 3, 2, 2, and it is 9, it is also 9. So these matrices are equal. So this is called equal matrices. Have you got it? Okay. Next, lower triangular matrices. So let us discuss about the definition of lower triangular. A square matrix is said to be lower triangular matrix if all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0. First of all, the for a lower triangular matrix, it should be a square matrix. It is a square matrix, right? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows and 3 columns. It is a square matrix. And the it should be, if we call it as a lower triangular matrix, all the elements above the principal diagonal. This is a principal diagonal. Above this, what are the elements are there? No, it should be equal to 0. That is called lower triangular matrix. Have you all got it? This is a principal diagonal. Okay, the above element should be equal to 0. That is called lower triangular matrices. Same but opposite to lower triangular, it is a upper triangular. That means it is also a square matrix. It is a square matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, and it's said to be upper triangular. If we have to tell, this is a upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the principal diagonal. This is the principal diagonal. Below the elements which are present in the uh, matrix, no, they should be equal to 0. This is called upper triangular matrix. Okay, uh, a square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix if all the elements below the principal diagonal are 0. It is called upper triangular matrix. Okay, have you all got it? So we, in this class, we have discussed about the definition of matrix and also types of the matrices. So in next class we are going to learn about the operation on matrix. Okay, thank you.